interdependence of living things, seasonal adaptation. Our weather is not the same for the whole year. It keeps changing as the seasons change. We have 3 seasons in India: summer, winter, and rainy. So, as the season changes, we behave differently too. That is how we adjust ourselves to the season. Plants, animals, and other living things do that too. There are changes according to the season in all living things. Let us see what animals do when seasons change. In winter, it becomes cold. In some parts of the world, it gets so cold it snows. What can animals do? They have 3 choices. One is to get warm. The other is to go to a place that is not so cold. The third is to find a good place and just go to sleep till the weather is better again. Animals that have fur or feathers can get warm by growing thicker coats in the winter. In places where it snows, some of the animals get white fur in the winter so that they can hide in the snow. Scientists have a special word for this. They call it adapting. Adapting means adjusting. Some animals move to places that are not so cold when winter arrives. Many birds do this. Some birds travel in large groups to be safe. Some birds travel alone. Fish travel to warmer places too. In fact, so do some insects like butterflies and moths. Scientists have a special word for this. They call it migrating. Migrating means traveling. Some animals eat a lot of food just before winter and then find a place to go to sleep. They fall into a deep sleep and sleep through most of winter. Scientists have a special word for this. They call it hibernating. Hibernating means deep sleep. There are some insects who can manage to live through the winter. But there are many insects that lay eggs and then just die when winter comes. The eggs hatch after winter is over and everything begins all over again. After winter comes the summer. It's hot in the summer. Animals shed their extra fur or feathers. That means the extra hair or feathers fall off. They move closer to places that have water to drink. During the day, when it's very hot, they find a shady place to be in. They move around in the evening or early morning. Some animals who cannot stand the heat move back to cooler places in the summer. The rainy season is good for most of the living things as there is plenty of food and water. The trees are growing and there are lots of insects too. Plants go through a lot of changes in seasons too. Some trees shed their leaves in summer. Some trees shed their leaves in winter. Plants shed leaves so that they need less water and energy. Some trees get flowers in winter and fruits in summer. Some trees get flowers in summer and fruits in winter.